So both of them have principal axis and everything. Okay, one more thing I wanted to tell you, I'm just forgot. uh, One more thing I wanted to tell you, but just forgot. Yeah, I remember. So here you can see that this is the boundary of mirror. So here you can see the images are forming on this side, okay, on this particular side. So this is known as left side, and the images are forming on a screen. Okay, if I take this, if I take this, okay, look at this. Okay, so for this, okay, for this concave thing, okay, images are forming at that side, that means left, or they are real. Okay, they are not virtual, they are real on screen. Okay, because images are forming at this side, here the images are forming at that side. Okay, so the in this case, for this case, images are forming at right side. You can see how they are meeting. You can see they are meeting at this side and they are meeting behind the mirror. Okay, they are meeting behind the mirror. So images are virtual because they are not exactly on screen. Okay, this is the screen, you know, screen means where the light rays are striking. So in this case the light rays are striking here, and in this case the light rays are striking here. Okay, so they are images are forming at this side, we know about this. Okay, light rays are striking at this side, but images are forming are here, because f, which shows that where all of these lines meet, it is known as image formation. Okay, and here the light rays are striking at this side, and here you can see the images forming. Okay, and if I use this as a sun ray, all the sun rays are coming and forming f. So f is means that they are forming a very tiny image of sun, because where light rays meet, if the light rays never meet, it means that there will be no image formation at all. Okay, virtual and behind the screen, behind the screen. Okay, so these are the two basic differences between concave and convex mirrors. Remember about that. Okay, if I consider this is uh, the mirror. Okay, I'm not taking the curvature, I'm just taking. So if this side is known as front side and this side is known as back side. Okay, so light rays are striking at this side in both of them, at particular their concave or convex surfaces. But in this case image is forming here, and in this case image is forming here. Okay, and the f most probably indicates that the formation of image, because if the light rays will never meet, it will not form any type of image. Okay, so right now I'm finishing my class, and please study all these topics. Just go through a line by line from NCERT, because you know, some when you read it will, when you will remember everything what I teach you in your class. So don't think that my teaching is enough. At least you need a reading, so that if you have any confusion, or if you feel that some line from NCERT is not understandable, because I told you in my language and the language of NCERT is bit different. Okay, it is not difficult, but it is different from my language. So I told you in easy language. So just take a reading, and if you feel any type of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so right now I'm finishing my class, and we will have our next class on tomorrow.